Hi everybody, this is Untitled back another day with another unboxing, and I believe this is gonna be a really good one. This is the Pine Green that were released this Saturday, and this shoe is just the right amount of hype and just for the right reason. First, nobody seemed to care too much about the shoe, but then when we saw the videos from the vloggers and everything, we saw that the quality seems to be really nice on these. And after that, the shoe got hyped. I haven't checked the resale price, but I wouldn't say that it got for too much resale. But still, they sold out instantly, and yeah, the Air Jordan 1 is hyped overall at the moment. But I've heard from a lot of people that they wanted the shoe just because of the quality. And then we have some people that say that they're tired of this tumbled leather. I don't know why you would like to have the hard pleather instead. So yeah, I think this is going to be an instant beater favorite of mine. Let me just get that shoe. Once again, this shoe came from Solestory. Thanks for being an awesome soulmate. Thanks for always having the shoes that I want. And I'm already looking forward to the next pair of shoes from Solestory. That is the UNC, the Air Jordans 3 UNC. So to the Pine Green then. The material is really soft, and we even have that special leather smell that I haven't smelled in a while on an Air Jordan 1. And I think this is the first Jordan that I bought this year, and we're in March now. Is this the first Air Jordan 1 or Air Jordan that I bought this year? That can't be right. No, that can't be right. So the whole shoe is matte, matte black, matte green. Then we have the glossy Air Jordan Wings logo. I did not like that, but overall, it's a very nice shoe. We had the Pine Green from 2018, autumn 2018, that I sort of wanted because they were sail white in the middle. I like that, but the leather on those wasn't anything special, and we noticed that on StockX that the shoes sold for under retail, and now when the Air Jordan 1 is hyped, they go for like 300 something, almost $400 depending on the size. So yeah, if you could get these for retail, that's a nice buy. So let's get closer so you can see. You have probably already seen a bunch of unboxing videos, so I don't know what to show you more than my opinions. With the shoes, you will get the red laces as well, and I think the shoes will look good with the red laces, but to begin with, for me, it's a bit much. In my blog post, I will make sure to find pictures of them with the red laces on. So we have the matte green, Pine Green, very soft. They are not soft like the Sail Air Jordan 1, but they are like the bloodlines. Yeah, they are like the bloodlines. And the material on the matte black is so soft that it almost feels like suede. It's not, but it's very matte, both in look and in the feeling. So it almost feels like numbug or something. And we have that material as well on the heel. And as you can see, everything is very tumbled, very soft. And I like that they haven't chosen to have the same kind of tumble leather all around. So the green is very noticeable tumbled, and the black is still tumbled but much more even in the surface. The only thing that I don't like is the shiny Wings logo. That's the only thing. And the Wings logo is also a bit thick, but that's because of the leather. So thick leather on a Wings logo makes a thick logo. And I think on this shoe I would prefer a laser etched or burned in Wings logo instead of this one. But overall, the shoe smells great. I really like, once again, I really like that the shoe is matte black and not glossy black. And the pine green, I know that some people think that the green is a bit too much to wear daily, or that you have to match your outfit or something. But I'm gonna make sure to wear this shoe no matter of whatever I wear. Usually I just wear dark jeans and a navy blue hoodie, and with that it would absolutely work. So yeah, pine green Air Jordan 1. In some lighting the sole doesn't seem to be as the same color as the rest of the leather, but that's okay. I have no problems at all with that. So I think that's it actually. I don't have too much more to say about these that you haven't already seen a bunch of unboxing videos. So now I'm gonna lace them up, put them on foot. I'm pretty sure that they're true to size. Air Jordan 1s are mostly true to size, but just for fun, I'm gonna show you them on foot. So be right back. As expected, they are very comfortable. They are maybe a bit long, so if you can't find your size, you could go down half a size. But I don't know, maybe my feet have shrunk in the last couple of months. But for me, it's okay. I just put my extra insoles that I always should use actually. So that's nice. I like the leather tab on the tongue. That's a really nice add to it. I don't know if I've seen that before on Air Jordan 1. So that's really nice. And for some reason, the laces are actually a bit shorter than they usually are. I think so. I think I've laced them just as I usually do, but they're like 2-3 centimeters shorter. But a very comfortable shoe, good looking shoe. I really like that they're matte and not shiny black and shiny green. And yeah. So if you don't have, either way, if you don't find your size, you could go down half a size, maybe even a full size, because they are a bit long, and I have no problems at all with the width. They are not narrow. So yeah, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, check out Soul Story, comment.